Hey, what's up everyone? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. What makes a good programmer? This is an excellent question to ask those around you, as well as yourself, to reflect on the art of software development. It's crucial to understand coding as the beginning of success for developers, but there's a lot more to what makes a developer or programmer great. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 7 of the most essential qualities that set a great programmer apart from the crowd. After that, I'm going to share 3 pieces of advice to help you become a better programmer. If you are an aspiring software developer and interested in seeing similar videos, then don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Also, let us know in the comments how long you've been interested in software development. Now let's jump into it. Willingness to learn. This is an important quality that's often ignored by developers. When technology is constantly evolving, the skills and traits that a programmer needs can quickly become outdated. It's essential to be a programmer who has a keen interest in keeping up with the latest technologies and trends. Also, it's important to grab all opportunities to learn new skills and work on existing ones. Problem-solving skills. Good programmers are extraordinary self-learners. They can learn new technologies on their own and aren't overwhelmed by new problems. Coding can be best compared to solving a complex math question for developers and programmers who've never tried to build an application from scratch. A great developer thrives on being creative and finding ways to make a code run, irrespective of the odds. Excellent communication skills. Good communication skills directly relate to excellent coding skills. A good programmer can understand problems better, break them down into more minor issues, and propose solutions systematically. Programmers understand concepts clearly and promptly, or ask the right queries to understand and don't need to have everything noted down. These programmers are also used to working on documentation and making it as clear and concise as possible. Passionate about every step of their work. While some developers can simply serve as clock watchers or 9-to-5ers, the majority of hiring managers are keen on onboarding a developer who will comfortably put in long hours when needed. Not only that, but great software developers are people who are really passionate about software developing, not just doing it as a 9-to-5 job. Excellent debugging skills. Writing clean code is only part of a developer's job. When a code doesn't run as expected, a developer is expected to find the root of the problem immediately and efficiently. A good developer will carefully look through their code and search for potential bugs until the issue is found. After the next 2 points, I'm going to share a few tips with you on how you can become a better programmer. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, do you have any of the characteristics that we've listed so far? Let us know. Good at managing constraints. Every project or role has a lot of hurdles, whether it's budget or time. A good developer knows how to code effectively in terms of time and space complexity. Since budget is also a significant aspect in many projects, it's the responsibility of a good programmer to develop software applications using fewer resources. A good programmer knows how to handle project requirements and is very flexible. A good programmer respects deadlines. The majority of programmers and coders, just like others, work on projects with strict deadlines. While managers must understand the turnaround time for building new software or fixing an existing one, developers should also show immense respect for deadlines. So you're probably wondering, how can you become a great programmer? Being a part of a programming community is the real key to striving to become a great programmer. And if you're one of those people, I'm going to share 3 tips to help you cross that hurdle. The first is to sharpen the mind. With a plethora of resources available online, you explicitly don't have to go to classes to become a great programmer. But in any case, many developers went to good coaching schools and pursued a major in computer science. Getting a degree in information technology or computer science helps you understand computer architecture and gives you a clear perspective on the world of computer programming. Being updated with the latest trends in technology helps to stay in sync with everything. Read a lot of blogs related to programming and on the latest trends in technology. Try practicing new programming languages on your spare time. Follow different programming communities. Attend webinars and conferences. And add value to the community by writing and educating others. Gain the experience. Don't just take a job because it pays well. Be a part of a company that will help you gain significant experience in a short period of time. Develop that experience. Try working for a startup. Work for a big organization. Work across different industries. Find your interest and niche. Build your toolbox. Technology is transforming and constantly evolving. New platforms are being built at an unprecedented rate. It's important to stay adaptable and be part of the change. Pick up the most developed tools and form your own toolbox to help move forward in your career. A love for math and statistics, a strong sense of logic, a comprehensive knowledge of multiple coding languages, and so much more are all qualities that become stronger with relevant experience as a coder. And these are needed to be a great programmer. However, to reach the most advanced level, you need these other skills as well. So there we have it. That's what makes a good programmer, and also some tips to help you become a better programmer. So to summarize our list of the 7 characteristics, there's a willingness to learn, problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills, passionate about every step of the work, excellent debugging skills, good at managing constraints, and respect deadlines. And to summarize our 3 tips on how you can become a better programmer: sharpen the mind, gain the experience, and build your toolbox. And that's it. Let us know if you fit all of the characteristics that we've listed in this video. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.